Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how billing and subscriptions work in the Next.js Boilerplate. When a user subscribes to a plan, they gain access to a customer portal where they can upgrade, downgrade, or cancel their subscription. To test this, let's go to the billing section. Currently, this user is on a premium plan. We will click the portal button and it will redirect us to the Stripe customer portal where we can manage the subscription. First, let's try upgrading from the premium plan to the plus plan. We simply click continue and then confirm. And here we are on the plus plan. In the billing section, if you decide to upgrade using this pricing table, it will redirect you to the customer portal, as that's where subscription changes happen, nowhere else. Except, however, if you choose a one-time subscription, it allows you to process it directly, as one-time payments aren't included in the customer portal. This is because Stripe doesn't support merging one-time payments with recurring subscriptions. Now let's try downgrading our plan back to premium. We select the premium plan, we click continue and then confirm. Finally, let's cancel the plan by clicking cancel subscription. The plan is scheduled to cancel 1 month from now, so since we've already paid for this month, we'll still have access until the end of the billing period. One last thing to mention, the Next.js Boilerplate supports various plan types, including free, recurring, and one-time subscriptions. This can be easily configured through the configuration file. Here is a quick overview. If your app only offers recurring subscriptions, users won't be able to sign up until they have paid for a subscription. If your app includes a free plan or free trial, users can sign up directly and decide later if they want to pay for a subscription. When they click the checkout button in the pricing table, a pop-up message will direct them to the customer portal, as we've just seen. On the other hand, if you offer a one-time subscription, users can choose this option initially. However, if they are already subscribed, they won't be able to switch to a recurring plan. Instead, they will receive a notification letting them know they are already subscribed. Typically, one-time payments are for higher tier plans, so it wouldn't make sense to switch from a one-time plan to a recurring one. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. God willing.